guys, it's Belle here and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a lawyer who specializes in criminal law in South Africa. I recently saw a show called Jola and I hope most of you know it because it's currently on season 12, so it has been running for some time now. And when I was watching it, I was like, you know what, I need to make a series on my YouTube channel reacting to this show. As you know, the show is full of drama, emotions are high, there are people who are making questionable decisions and just some very unsafe behaviors. So on today's video, I am going to break it down for you from a legal perspective. I am not here to judge anyone, but just to analyze the behavior and the rights involved, and also for you to know what you can do in a situation like this. Disclaimer: I am not giving anyone a legal advice. This is just a legal commentary and I am not judging as to who's guilty and who's not. I am just analyzing the behavior and the rights. So let's get into it. I'll be watching from my TV and I will put the video for you guys on the screen for you to see what I'll be seeing.
Okay. So from beginning.
Okay, so the first thing that happens on the show, it will be the person who is complaining to the host, Jub, explaining to him what their partner is doing, cheating, and that they're suspecting that they're having someone and why they think like that and what has been the change in their relationship, those kind of things. So now let's fast forward.
We've given up Jola in this 15 years. And the reason being.
Oh my god! The host just asked the lady who's complaining if she has ever cheated on her man, and she was like, yes, I've cheated. So why are you complaining? An eye for an eye. Okay, now they have arrived. They now want to get in. So let's see what is going to happen. Okay, the cameras are rolling. I also see a police van. Okay, now they're getting inside the yard. Now I just want to confirm whose yard it is. They open the door, the butler door, they get in. She's asking who the lady is and she starts assaulting the lady. She hit her once. So now let's stop. The first thing that was done, they entered someone's yard. Fine. But they went on to open the burglar door and enter without a permission. That is trespassing. It's an offense. You can be charged in law. Number 2, she hits that other lady with an open hand. That is common assault. That is also a criminal offense. So she's now having 2 criminal offenses under her belt. Number 3, these people, the partner and the alleged woman that he's cheating with, are being filmed in their personal space without consent. That is also an offense. But then I think the people who are being filmed give the channel permission to film them, because if that was not the case, we would have seen or heard about a lot of lawsuits in the past 12 seasons. So now let's proceed. Okay, now the lady who's complaining is confronting the other lady. And okay, the camera crew is trying to get in between them so that they don't fight. And now she's apologizing for hitting her. I mean, this is so weird. Okay, now the ladies are having a conversation. She's asking where she's staying, and then it's like, I'm staying here. And I didn't know that he was married. And mind you, all this time, the partner who's allegedly cheating is half naked. He's only wearing an underwear and is being filmed. Yes. Okay, now the host is interviewing him, asking him why he's cheating and all of those things, and he's explaining what is happening. But remember that you cannot be held hostage in order for you to answer questions for a production company. If you don't want to answer questions, you can leave. They cannot hold you and say that you have to answer by fire by force. No, they cannot do that, because that can also fall under kidnapping, because they are restricting your freedom of movement. They don't have consent to say that you have to be here until you answer these questions. If you want to leave, you can leave. And if they refuse, then that is kidnapping. Okay, let's see. Let's just fast forward. Here they're just discussing. They've been together for 18 years. Okay, the guy is also telling the host that she also cheated on him. Both of them are just cheaters. She cheated on him with someone from church. And now the man is saying that I told her that I don't want to date her anymore. Okay, the host is asking the lady as to why she assaulted the Nazi, and she's saying that it's because she was angry. Guys, you must remember that in South Africa, cheating is not an offense. You cannot go to jail for cheating, but you can go to jail for assault. Get it? If your partner is cheating on you and you decide to beat them up, you're going to jail if they open a case against you. Because cheating is not an offense. It can be a ground for divorce, can work in your favor, but it's not a criminal offense, guys. Let's just fast forward because now they're just discussing. I want to see some action. Now I feel like they are just repeating the same conversation, that he cheated and she also cheated, those kinds of things. Yeah. I just want us to go to the end to see who was chosen, who got the man, who got the prize. Now they are deciding what they want to do. They are deciding if they're continuing with each other or they're calling it quits. Let's see.
Man, I doubt for the family too fair. Oh, if you got back, you go so yellow home. You go to one yellow home. Chihuahua film, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So if for Uchala Billion, you don't mind being a second wife? If would kita really talk about the position or what? And it can one of two meets it up. I'm very sure for us to okay.
The host asked this man, the host asked the woman that this man was found with if she's willing to be a second wife. And the lady said that she is not willing to be a second wife. And she asked the guy, what does he say about it? And the guy is like, I'm out. What? And now they are officially they are broken up with each other on national TV, and it seems like the guy is going to remain with the new girlfriend. And they told each other last words that they don't want to fight anymore. But believe me, those are not the last words. They are going to fight again about something. Okay, it's over. I think today's episode was not like full of drama, people cursing, people swearing at each other, pushing each other, grabbing, biting, spitting, hitting, punching. Was not full of drama. But I hope you guys saw what happened, and I will definitely be doing more of these videos. I'll be doing maybe 2 videos in a week and just give you guys my reaction. These are the lessons that I want the public to take from this video. 1, don't let anger get in the way and make you end up committing assault. 2, you can always walk away. You don't have to answer any of these silly questions. 3, know your rights when you're being filmed. That you can say, no, I don't want to be filmed. 4, protect your privacy, protect your property. And although it is very painful, just know that cheating is not an offense, but assault is. Don't do something that will land you in jail. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys on another episode.